Hello my beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today we're talking about some new shades of the BK Beauty Luxe lipsticks. These are launching on May 30th. You may see this video after the launch. I'm filming it right before they come out, but I have a bunch of videos to edit, so these may have just launched, depending on how quickly I can get this video edited for you. There are already 5 existing shades of the Luxe lipstick, and now they're adding 6 more, so there's going to be 11 total shades. I'm going to lip swatch all 11 shades for you here. That way you can see all the colors available in one place. These lipsticks are priced at $24 US a piece, but I see here there is a lip set with all 5 of the previous existing shades that's priced at $100 US, so a little bit of a markdown if you get the set, if you want all of the colors. I'm not sure if there's going to be a set for the new shades as well. These Luxe lipsticks are a cream finish formula. They are very, very moisturizing. It says here on the website that they have apricot oil that moisturizes and nourishes the lips. They're formulated without parabens, sulfates, or phthalates, and they are 100% cruelty-free and vegan. So these are safe for all my vegan friends out there. These have a very straightforward packaging. Like the name says, the packaging feels very luxe. It does have a little heft to it, and you can tell that it is sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap plasticky. There's just the BK logo on the top and then little shade name sticker on the bottom, and these are kind of color coordinated to the shades, so there are different color stickers for all the different shades. My favorite thing is that these have a magnetic lid. I love that. It is so satisfying. I also really like this bullet shape. It's not a traditional really pointy lipstick. It has more of this like tinted balm shape, sort of like the Dior lip glow balms that I love. It's the same more rounded kind of basic shape, which I really like. These do have a very slight sweet vanilla scent to me, but it's not very overwhelming. I mean, I really have to get in there and sniff it. So I don't think that this is a strong enough fragrance to be off-putting to somebody who doesn't really care for a lot of fragrance in their makeup. It's just subtle and sweet enough that it doesn't smell like that plasticky, like chemical lipstick type of smell. It's just a very, very subtle, very neutrally sweet fragrance. Let's go ahead and take a look at some lip swatches of all 11 of these Luxe lipstick shades, and then I'll wrap up all my thoughts at the end. Alright, let's dig into some lip swatches. We have a mixture of the new and old shades. First up is this very light neutral shade called Grace. This is the one that's very close to my own personal lip color. And then a very similar shade is Acceptance. This is like a slightly more pinky version of Grace, at least on me. Different skin tones are going to reflect these shades a little bit differently, just depending on your undertone, how pigmented your lips are. You get the point. This is Inner Beauty. This is a soft, warm pinky shade. Not quite rosy, but definitely a neutrally pink that I really like. And we have Kindness. This is a very soft, peachy type of shade. This is one of the original 5 shades, as is the next one we're going to look at, Self Love, which is a classic pink. I think I'll put a little asterisk next to the new shades. That way you know which ones are new and which are previously existing in case you have any of the previous shades. We have this bright, very Barbie pink called Beauty. I think I have Barbie on the brain because the new Barbie movie trailer that just came out. This might be the perfect lipstick to wear to the Barbie movie. Now we have another one of the new shades. This soft berry pink is called Gratitude. I think this is going to be really flattering across a lot of skin tones just because it does have a more muted undertone, which I really like. And here is one of my favorites. This is Passion. This is sort of like a mauvey pink meets a really muted brick red. I like this color a lot. And here is Empower. This is a really bright corally red, a great summer shade. This is gonna look good on a lot of people. Definitely a fun way to jazz up like a little black dress in the summertime. This is a more classic red. This one's called Confidence. Confidence has some more blue tones versus the more yellow tones of Empower. And last but not least, we have the deepest shade of the bunch. This is Faith. It is a really rich reddish berry color. Just FYI, none of these stained my lips or my arms when I was swatching. I want to make sure you see all of these shades swatched together side by side on my arm. It can be a little bit difficult to tell the subtle differences or similarities when they're in individual lip swatches. And I do think that on my skin tone, a lot of these lighter shades do read very, very similarly. Maybe if you have a deeper skin tone or a more pronounced undertone, they may show up more different on you. I am very fair and very, very neutral undertone, so that does make some of these more pale beigey shades kind of all blend together on me. So I hope that helps. These lipsticks are super comfortable. They definitely feel texture-wise like a tinted balm, but they are as pigmented as a cream lipstick. Because these have such a soft, creamy finish, they definitely don't have super long staying power. Anytime I eat or drink or after just a couple hours of wear, I do feel like I need to touch up the colors. This one, Grace, is my favorite shade from the new colors that they released. It's the one that I'm wearing throughout the talking portions of the video, and this is just like that easy go-to, super neutrally lip type of color. I think this is going to be very popular. I do find myself touching up pretty often, especially with the lighter shades. This is from the previously released shades. This is the shade Passion. It's just a really deep pink shade. This one I feel like I don't have to touch up quite as often. Maybe it's just because this one is so much closer to my natural lip color. I do think that this bright orangey red shade called Empower is going to be really popular across the board because this is such a fun, bright summer color. And this color is going to look good on so many different skin tones, so many different people in general. So I think that while this isn't necessarily my go-to shade, I do think that this is going to look good on a lot of people and it's going to be a great, bright summertime type of color. Now's the time when I want to hear what you think about these lipsticks. Have you tried the previously released shades? Are you interested in any of these new ones? I always love to hear what you think about things too, so make sure you leave all your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Like that kind of plasticky, chemically, colloquial. Cream lipsticks are so much easier to lip swatch than matte lipsticks. Mom life. Passion. Ooh. I almost dropped it. Right on my own face. 3 to go. I can do this. I can do this. Oof, this is my least favorite on me. Good for my super pale peeps, but I feel like it looks sickly on me. Ooh, she's bright. Is it coral? Is it orange? Well, I guess it's kind of reddish. I mean, orange is kind of reddish. I don't know. Yay! I prefer a little bit more matte formula for a color like this, but it's just me. Yay! Other favorite shade, this is from... I filmed this eye look. It's with the new Nomad palette, so if that video's not already out, it will be soon, and I think it looks so good. Not to toot my own horn, but I feel like it looks really good. Okay, thanks for watching. Aren't you so sweet for being here? I'm always happy to see your face. You want to know why? Because I love it. Alright, well, bring it back for the next video real soon, okay? See you then. Alright, bye-bye.